Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and it's Top Tip Tuesday. Top Tip Tuesday. Top Tip Tuesday. And you know how we get down on Top Tip Tuesday. We show you an incredible deal that you cannot pass up. But until we get there, I need you guys to do me a favor. I need you to give me some thumbs up. Let me know if you plan on doing this deal. Let me know if you like this channel. Let me know if there's some tips that you want me to find out for you or videos you want me to do for Tuesdays. And I will certainly get out and do them. But let's get into this deal that we're going to do at Rite because it is a Top Tip Tuesday double dip. Double dip at Rite. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you don't miss out on any notifications. Anytime I put up a video, you will get notified. So let's get to saving. Okay, guys, it's Top Tip Tuesday, and I am ready to get you guys to saving with this double dip at Rite. Guys, this is an amazing deal, and once I explain it to you, you're going to run out and go get it. You're not going to wait. So basically, this is a 2-day deal that I did. You don't have to make it a 2-day deal. You can make it a 1-day deal. It's totally up to you. But first, you're going to grab your circular that you received in the mail. And on that circular, you're going to have a coupon on there that says when you spend $50, you're going to get back $10 in bonus cash. You're also going to receive an email with this same coupon. The difference is there's 2 different codes on there. And if you have the Rite app, you're going to have this coupon in your app. What you want to do is you want to take one of those coupons. I chose the coupon that was emailed to me. You want to go to Rite and you want to buy a $50 gift card. When you buy that $50 gift card, that is going to give you $15 back in bonus cash as long as you give them one of those coupons. Then you're going to wait until the next day. And again, you don't have to wait, but I waited until the next day for those $15 in bonus cash to be on your account. They will be on your account at 6 a.m. the next day. Then I went to Rite today and I made a purchase and I used that $15 in bonus cash to pay for my purchase along with the $50 gift card that I used. So that's where the double dip comes in at because I spent $15 on a gift card and I'm going to get the $15 in bonus cash back for that. Plus, I'm going to get bonus cash for the money that I use off of that gift card. So, guys, let's see how this double dip works. And remember, you have to give the coupon before you give your manufacturer coupons. I can't stress that enough, guys, because your total has to be $50 before taxes and before coupons. And remember, you use one coupon to get your gift card and one coupon to make your purchase. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to grab are the Avena products. So I grabbed 2 of the body wash. This deal is buy one, get one half off, and spend $25, get a $10 extra buck. So the first body wash I paid $7.99 for. The second one I got at half price for $3.99. I used 2 $2 coupons from coupons.com. Now remember, you can only print 2 of each kind of coupon from coupons.com on each device, okay? The second thing I got was the lotion, and you see I got 2 different ones because they only had one of each. So the lotion was $9.49 for the first one. The second one was $4.74. And I used a $3 off coupon for each of them. Again, the coupons were from coupons.com. The third Aveeno thing I got was the cleansers. Now, guys, there were 2 different cleansers. This is where I messed up. The one cleanser, which is the one that I got, was $8.69. But there was also one for $8.79. I should have gotten the $8.79 one because that would have taken me to exactly my $50, and I would have gotten $20 dollars in bonus cash, but instead I only got 10 because I fell 26 cents short. But no problem, because I'm going to get it tomorrow when I go back. But I got 2 of these, and I used a $2 coupon from coupons.com. So the first one was $8.69, and the second one was half price, which was $4.34. And then my last item was the Avena Baby Lotion, and I chose to get the Calming Comfort Lotion. There's a whole bunch of different ones you can get, but these were the biggest ones, so I figured I'd get the best value for that one. So they were $6.99. So I paid $6.99 for the first one, and the second one I paid $3.49. So all of this total, it would have totaled to $50. And remember, your $50 has to be reached before taxes and coupons. So I was a little short, so I had to grab this Twix bar. So I know you guys are wondering, what does that have to do with the deal? But this was 33 cents. So that took me well over my $50 after taxes and things. So I don't like to talk about taxes, but in this case, you do have to make sure that you reach your $50 before taxes. And again, I used $2 coupons on this, $3 coupons for the lotion, $2 coupons for the cleanser, $2 coupons for the bath and body wash. So everything had a $2 coupon except for the lotion. The lotion had a $3 coupon. So my total, and I'm going to put my receipt up there so you can see it, but my total came to $50 and some change. I had the $15 in bonus cash that I used from purchasing the gift card, and then I had the $18 in coupons. So the only thing I had to pay out of pocket was $19.02. And I used my $50 gift card to pay that $19. And guess what? I got back a total of $25 in bonus cash, which was the $15 from the coupon and the $10 from the Avena deal. I should have gotten $20 from the Avena deal, but I fell 20 cents short. So that's why I'm telling you, remember, do not get the cleanser that is $8.69. Get the cleanser that's $8.79, because then you'll get a total of $35 back in bonus cash. So guys, if you think about this, I got $25 in bonus cash. I spent $19.02 out of my pocket with tax. This was really a moneymaker for me, almost a $6 moneymaker, right? And it will be even more for you because you're going to get the right cleanser. So guess what I'm going to do tomorrow? Before I go, let me say this. When you're at the register, make sure you give your coupon, which was either the coupon out of the mailer or the coupon out of your app, not the coupon that you use to get your gift card. Make sure that you give that coupon before you give all manufacturer coupons to the cashier, because your total has to be $50 before taxes and before coupons. That way you get that $15 in bonus cash. So now I have a total of $25 in bonus cash that I'm going to use tomorrow. I'm going to go back and I'm going to get me some more stuff, and I'm going to use that $25 in bonus cash, and I'm going to use the remainder $30 and some change that I have on my gift card. So guys, basically where the double dip comes in at is because you're going to use the gift card that you paid $50 for, that you got $15 in bonus cash back. You're going to use that same money to make purchases and get more bonus cash. So guys, I got a lot of bonus cash off of that one deal. So that's the double dip. If you want to keep buying a whole bunch of gift cards, that's fine, and save them for another time, that's fine, and just build up your bonus cash, you could do that too. But I will make a video tomorrow showing you guys how I rolled my $25 in bonus cash that I earned off of this. And I am going to grab another Aveeno product so that I can get the other 10. And I will show you how to continue to roll that bonus cash over and over and over and over again. Guys, because it's Top Tip Tuesday and we save over here at Nicole is making it happen.